Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another video about the Makharij and exit points of Arabic letters. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Makharij and exit point of letter Lord. And Alhamdulillah Ta'ala, we have done all the Arabic letters with their Makharij and exit points. And in today's video, the letter Lord gonna be our last letter, right? So have a look on the shape of letter. Here we have Lord, which is having one dot at top. And now coming to the exit point, coming to the makhraj, which says sides of the tongue and molars. We use sides of our tongue and we use molars while saying and pronouncing the letter Lord. Actually, scholars have difference of opinion regarding the exit and makhraj of letter Lord. Some of them say it is Dod, which starts with D sound and we ends with D sound as well. But the on the other hand, some scholars prefer saying Lord, which is between Z and D sound. So I would take the second one and I would tell you how to pronounce Lord correctly in this video, inshallah ta'ala. Let's see. In this picture, we are using sides of our tongue and we are using molars. So now I am going to make sound by using molars and sides of my tongue. Okay, listen. Lord, Lord, which is not Dod, which is something between Z and D sound. Lord. Okay, now I am going to recite a verse which is having Lord letter. ولا الضالين. It is not ولا الضالين. I am using the second opinion, which is Lord, not Dod. Got it? This picture here, you can easily get from where the sound of Lord comes out. Okay, so listen and practice. Insha'Allah ta'ala, you would get after practicing how to say Lord. But be careful while when you want to pronounce and when you want to make sound of letter Lord, you should focus on sides of your tongue and your molars. I hope you got this, insha'Allah ta'ala. Next video series gonna be about the Quran foundation and recitation course, insha'Allah ta'ala. I would make those videos for the beginners, and inshallah ta'ala those gonna be very useful for you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.